Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, definitely, but after the quarantine started here in Croatia, there's been plenty of time to actually get to do loads of videos. So I'm starting today with this very simple tutorial on how to wear how to make your underwear. Underwear is a really good place to start when it comes to pattern making and sewing because A, it's very simple, and B, even if you make a mistake, no one's going to see it except your husband maybe. Anyway, this is a way to just start the whole thing again. So a video is very short. I hope it's going to be very interesting. And if you have some questions, please post it down below. I'll be more than happy to answer the questions that you might have. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see something more, or if you want to be up to date on all the new videos that are coming on every week, hopefully, with the time that I have on my hand, definitely there's going to be loads more videos coming. Subscribe to the channel and we'll hang out more often. So without further ado, let's get to it. In the city of Rijeka, in long days of quarantine, a girl was wondering what to do after her third cup of coffee this morning. So naturally, the only thing that came to my mind is, let's get sewing. I found this old t-shirt lying around in my wardrobe and decided to make a pair of underwear from it because it's made of jersey, and jersey is the best to use for underwear. Cut off the seams, cut off everything, and let's get sewing. I've used this pattern multiple times, and it's actually a handmade pattern. I'm going to share the person who actually showed me how to do it, and I might do the tutorial for it as well. Just going to cut out all the pieces, and now we're going to place some pattern making here. You're going to trace the center front, and you're going to decide where you want the design lines to be, or to be precise, where are we going to cut the jersey and where are we going to cut the mesh. I'm going to be using mesh fabric as an insertion to make it a little bit more sexy. Be careful about your lines and about your grain lines, and just to make sure you're not going to put any seams on the legs and the front, because you're going to be using a fold over elastic. Now let's wind the bobbin and let's go. Here it is, everything is sewn together. I've used a French seam for putting everything together. The mesh is in, the crotch is in, it's all perfect and completed. And now we're going to be using the fold over elastic. I hope you all know how to sew with it. If not, I'll share the video. You're going to measure the inside of the leg and the waist on the front and the back, and subtract the measurement by 5% for the elastic. And voila, here we go. The panties are all completed. Here is the mesh sexy part, and the fold over elastic is keeping everything in place. They're high-waisted bikinis, or as you call it, Brazilian briefs. And this is my favorite part, my favorite briefs. That's it.